like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
Home remedies for pink lips. There are many ways to lighten dark lips that don't require buying expensive products or treatments. National home remedies can effectively lighten your lips. Ingredients you need: apply 2 to 3 drops of lemon on your lips. Stretch your lips and massage gently. You'll see that the darkness is getting rid of lips and they appear soft. Use this remedy daily for best and fast results. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about home remedies for pink lips.